Hi, my name's Sarah Grill, and I'm with John Consulting to show you how to make a Mailchimp survey. Now, Mailchimp has so many features that you can use, and creating a survey is a really great resource to gain information on your clients. So first, I'm at the homepage, and I'm going to go under Audience to Surveys. So you can either create a new survey or down at the bottom, they have different templates if you are trying to reach a certain goal. So like a post-purchase survey, things like that. But I'm going to create a survey. So once it loads, there are different features you can add to your survey. So you are going to add the little plus button. So some features may be useful to put at the beginning of your survey, like an introduction text, kind of introducing what you're going to be talking about in your survey. You can also add an image or a video that represent your company, whatever you want to put. So I'm going to put a text introduction. Thank you for opening the survey. Next, another feature you can add is contact information. If you only know their email, but you want to add more contact info into Mailchimp, you can put their name, last name, address, things like that that you want to know and have in your system. So I'll just put their first name. Next, once you want to start making questions, there's different kinds of questions you can ask. They have radio buttons. So it's basically kind of like a multiple choice question. You can add different options. So you can ask a survey or ask a question and then put the different options that you would like there, and they can only click one. Next, you can also put checkboxes if you want them to be able to click multiple answers. So say it's a question about their interests, like what are you interested in learning from our email? So you could say website design or whatever interest that your company has, and what you think your customers would like. You can also add auto tagging, which is a cool feature that Mailchimp has. So say you want all your customers that are interested in website design, you can auto tag them to say in their profile that they would be interested in that topic. So you can turn this feature on, and you can change the settings in the tagging features. Next, there is also range. So this is kind of good for satisfaction questions, like how satisfied are you with and then your company. So then you can set the low range label. So 0 would be very unsatisfied, and then 10 would be very satisfied. Next, there's an open text feature, so you could ask any feedback potentially, and they can type whatever they would like in this text box. You can also ask them their email, even though you would be sending it to their email. But if they have an extra email that you would like to have in their contact profile, you can put that. And then also there is a content block. So you can add a video context or image that could go along with your survey. Maybe you want to embed a video and then ask for any feedback below. Add a text box after this question block. So, okay, those are the different features. You can also make any of these text blocks required. So you can turn that on so they can't submit the survey without answering that question. So then once you're all done and you like your survey, you can preview it. This is what the customer will see. See, I didn't type in many things, but you can click on it, see how you like it. So I clicked finish later. If you would like to finish later, it saves it. But if you would like to continue to design, you can do that. So in your survey, you can add an image like your logo that will be placed at the very beginning of the survey. And then you can get rid of the Mailchimp badge if you pay for this certain Mailchimp subscription. Next, you can also add a survey title that will go at the beginning of the survey. Say I want it to be a satisfaction survey. You can also change what this button says. If you don't like it to say submit, you can change it something else, maybe enter or whatever you would like. There's also a confirmation message that will display after they click submit. And then if you choose to close a survey, you don't want any more responses. This is the survey message they will get if they try and take it after you close it. And then also an error message. Lastly, there's style. So you can change the style of your survey. The background color is this white and also this around. You can also change the submit button color. So say I want it to match our logo, I can change it to green and the submit button will be green. And then you can change the button text color. So if I don't want the submit to be white, I could change it to black and it'll be black. So next I'm going to go to review and you can change the survey name. Oh my gosh. So this is what I'll see as the title. And then also your audience is done consulting, whatever your company name is. Then you can change your notification preferences on the survey. So if Mailchimp thinks that you're getting a really bad review or feedback on your survey, it'll send you an email about to go look at it, see who did that. You can also get immediate notifications when someone completed your survey, if you would like that. And then also a daily summary. So if people are taking your survey over a course of time, you can see a summary each day of your data. So next, I'm going to go to continue. So then again, you see your notification preferences. And then once people start taking your survey, you can see how many people have taken it, your known contacts, unknown, and new. So then you can see the responses on each of these questions. So then if I want to send the survey out to my clients, then I can create a new email. So I'm going to click on that and you can change the format of your actual email that you're sending. So you can add your logo, which I already have, and you can change your logo, whatever image you would like. And then you can add a paragraph if you want to type more before or after this. You can also change what this says if you don't like what it says. If you want to say, please take this satisfaction survey, whatever you would like. So there's a bunch of different features you can add into your actual email that you're sending. If you like to add a picture or a video. So then you can also change your social media that you have on here. Say I want it to be LinkedIn or YouTube or your website, anything like that. Then you can also change the survey button again, like we did in the survey. So if you want it to be a different color, say I want it to be green, it will be green. You can also change the shape if you want to be round or a pill shape, medium, small. large. So whatever you're like, you can format the email how you would like. Then, if you like the way your email looks, you can preview it just like you did the survey. You can see how it looks on desktop and mobile. So that's the preview mode. And then what a really good feature is that you can send a test email. So if I click on this, I can type in whatever email I want to send it to. I can send it to myself or whoever else in your company, so they can look and approve if it's good to send out to your clients. So then you can also add a personal message. Like if I want to ask whoever I'm sending it to, okay, what would you want to fix, or whatever I want to write there. I can send the test. So then I can save and exit. If you want to send it out now, you can change all these preferences, whoever I want to send it to in my audience, what the subject line will look like, who it is from. Also a send time if I want to send it at a specific time. And so yeah, you can also send a test email from this page as well and preview. So I'm not going to send it out now, so I'm going to finish later. And once it goes back to this screen, it'll take me to the campaign screen because this is a new survey email campaign. But I can go back to surveys on the left. I can, once someone takes my survey, I can view the results. And I can see all the responses, and I can also see for each question, what percentage said this and this. So you can see the responses individually, and then whoever takes the survey, they will show up on the right under contacts. So, and then if you want to export your results, you can export them to Excel or as a PDF if you would like that information. And then I can go back to my survey overview. So that's pretty much it with Mailchimp surveys. They're very easy to create, and then you just make the email and send them out to whoever you would like. So thank you for watching, and I hope this can help you guys. Bye. Thanks.